So today in this video we shall solve profit and loss question, and the question is Ashma purchased a second hand scooter for Rs 152,000. She spent Rs 8,000 to repair it and sold it at 3% loss. At what price did she sell the scooter? So to solve it, first of all we write what are the given values here. So Ashma purchased means the cost price. So cost price, that is CP, is equal to purchased a second hand scooter for Rs 152,000. So Rs 152,000. She spent Rs 8,000 to repair it. So repairing cost will be also added in the cost price. So it is Rs 8,000. So it is equal to total cost price is 160,000 and sold it at 3% loss. So loss percent given is 3%. So at what price did she sell the scooter? So we have to find out here the selling price, that is SP is equal to, so to find SP when cost price and loss is given, then we use S equal to CP into 100 minus loss percentage by 100. So this is the formula which we use to find SP when loss percentage and cost price is given. So cost price we have is 160,000. So it is 100 minus loss percentage is 3 by 100. So it is 160,000 into 97 by 100. So these both 0 cancelled, and when we multiply 1600 into 97, then we get 155,200. So the selling price of the scooter is 155,200. And we have to remember that to find SP we use CP into 100 minus loss percentage by 100. So this one is the formula. So this much for today, and if you have any question related to math, then just comment your question in a comment below and we shall provide a video solution of your question. So thank you.